Let's discuss this next question in front of us. We are asked a very interesting thing here. Using binomial theorem, we have to evaluate this 96 power 3. Okay, and how do we go about doing this? So, can we write this 96 as sum or difference of two terms whose powers are easy to find? Yes, that's what we can do. That's something that we can do very easily. We can write 96 as 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. Now, powers of this and powers of this are something which we can handle very easily, right? So, let's write 96 power 3 as 100 minus 4 power 3. And now this is a binomial, right? This is a binomial. Power 3 will expand using binomial theorem, or obviously this is simply a minus b power 3. You already know the result of that, right? This is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, right? That's something which you can use directly. That is also derived from binomial theorem only, right? Binomial theorem is an extension of all of these things. So this is, let's write in terms of a cube, but before that let's use 3c0, right? Let's use binomial properly. This is 3c0 100 power 3 minus, where did you get this minus from? Let's not get that minus. This is 3c1 100 power 2. The power of 100 reduces. The power of minus 4 was 0 over here. The power of minus 4 will increase over here. This will be minus 4 power 1 plus 3c2 100 power 1. The power of 100 is reducing. The power of minus 4 will increase plus 3c3. The power of 100 will be 0. The power of minus 4 will be 3. This is what you get. Okay. Next, let's move on to the next step. This is 3c0, which is 1. This is 100 power 3, which is 1 followed by 6 zeros. Yes. This is 3, which is okay. This is 100 square, which is 1 followed by 4 zeros. And you have a minus 4 in the product. Plus 3c2 is again 3 times 100 times minus 4 square, which is 16. Yes. What is 3c3? This is 1. And what is minus 4 cube? This is minus 64. That's what you have. Simplified further. 1 times this is same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. You have minus 12 times 12 and you have 4 zeros accompanying it. Then you have 3 times 16. What's 3 times 16? 48, and you have 4800. What next? You have minus 64. Let's add up the terms having plus sign and let's add up the terms having minus sign together. Let's bring them together, and what you get over here is this is 0048, 0048. So you'll have 1004800 over here when you add this and that. That's pretty simple. What next? You add these two after taking a minus common, and what you get is 120064 is what I get. Is that okay? Yes. Once you're through with this much, what next? We just have to subtract these two. Let's subtract 10 minus 4. You'll carry on a 1, and what you're actually doing is you are subtracting 064 from this 800 actually. And what's that? In the end you have 736. Is that okay? Yes, that's pretty simple. What about the next terms? 120 has to be subtracted from this 004. Is it? Yeah. So is it possible to subtract 120 from 004? No, we'll have to carry on something, right? So we are actually subtracting 120 from 1004. 120 from 1004, and 1000 minus 120 is 880. 880 plus 4 is 884. This is what you get. This is what you get. So that's the complete subtraction. Yes, you get a 4, then you get a 8, and then you get a 8 again. Is it? Yes, that's what you get. Next, we can move on to the next one, but before, this is the final answer for this question over here.